Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys the full tutorial on how to install this Anoopsche Dash Cam. This one is the dual 1080p with the built-in GPS and Wi-Fi G sensor. So this is the unit right here. It has a 3-inch OLED with the dual front and then a cabin dual 1080p camera with the 80-degree adjustable angle. So let's go ahead and show you guys the tutorial real quick. So I'm gonna open the box real quick, and then there is like a film coming all this instruction. This is the film that we need to install on your windshield. Okay, there's like an indentation right here with the rectangular shape. First of all, you need to wipe out your windshield clean. And be sure to peel this off. Well, you need to peel this off first and then put it on your windshield. After you put the film on your windshield, you're gonna put this, you're gonna peel this 3M tape and then put it on top of it. So you gotta make sure what part of the camera section that you want to cut it out. I'm not sure if you want to leave it film in there. I'm just afraid of the reflection. So, and plus this film might be too big. So I'm just gonna cut out with this section so I don't get like a glare when doing the filming of the driving. So let's go ahead and show you guys real quick. I got a scissor right here and then prepare to get the custom cut. But first of all, you need to measure where you're gonna put it first, and then wipe it clean with your microfiber cleaning cloth. So I gotta measure the measurement right here first. Either put it here or here on this side. So make sure you could capture everybody inside the cabin and then on the front as well. So let's go ahead and do that before we put the film on there. So I'm gonna turn on the accessory mode. Alright, so after you install this static film, make sure you squeeze out all those bubble. And as you can see, I can see the front of the car. And if I change the mode, this is the in-cabin mode. So I can adjust it. Low, high. So you want to adjust it somewhere that it's not going to hit this back at the rear view camera. Now we're going to run this wire through the headliner. And then we're going to go around this plastic. Go in here. We need to remove this weather seal just by putting it down. So we can insert a wire in there. And then we need to remove this panel right here, the plastic panel. And then we're gonna run the wire under the dashboard and then the steering wheel right here. And then we're gonna run it through right here and then plug in here. I have a USB charging port here as well. Most likely I'm gonna insert this secret adapter that came with it. That you can connect the dual USB port. Okay, now the light is on. So let's go ahead and run the wire and then I'll show you guys. They also come with this extra 3M tape in case you need to replace it or put a new one. They also come with this, in case you don't want to put the wiring through your panel, you can use this plastic clips. And then they use this data cable if you want to put your computer here, because once you mount it on, you cannot take it out. So you need to connect this to your cable to transfer the file, or you can take out the SD card from there. So I'm gonna run the wire through the headliner, and I'm gonna push with this prying tool to push it in between. So I'm gonna tuck the wire in between the headliner and then this plastic panel right here. Gotta be careful, there's an airbag inside here, so you don't want to poke the airbag. So it's pretty easy to go in there. So Well, I need two hands to push in through. See, I kind of use it with the one hand. All right, so everything is in there now, nice and smooth. So be sure all the wires are in, so it doesn't fall down. And right here, the wire is kind of loose, but I might have to use one of the clip to hold it right here. So now we're gonna run the wire right here. So that was very easy. Is that wire just going between that gap right there, all the way inside. Okay. Now I'm gonna put the wire for here for now because I need to remove this plastic panel. You're gonna pry out and then push outward. So you need this prying tool to pry out first. Okay. And then just yank it outward. So it's just holding by this white clip. 1, 2, 3. And also there are like 2 of the black clips right here. All right, so nice and clean. Now I can put this cover back. Be sure to go inside the panel first, where the stripes at, in the angle. Yeah, be sure to push this back. Forgot to mention. Make sure you put in between those groove, and then grab it onto this metal, and then just punch it in. That's it. It's like a defect on this one or something. Now the wire is hanging on the bottom, so you got the either like use like a wire ties or something to tie the wire, so you can loop around, or you can use the clip that came with it. Okay, those black clip that I show you, you could use those tapes to hang the wire correctly. Make sure it is tight fit, so it's not gonna hang and sag down like this. Okay, it's gonna affect your brake, your gas, so it's very dangerous. And after that, we're gonna route it in between that gap right there, and then just let the wire come through here. That's it. So if you really want, you can take out this rubber cover, and then insert the wire in between those gaps right there. and then just like that. So it's pretty nice. So you don't need to see the wire and everything. So that's good. And you got your extra outlet right there for the USB, and then another one right there. So I just need to push that wire in there with the prying tool. And that's it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.